Hi, in front of me is UMIDIGI Power, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now click on System. Language as an input, Virtual Keyboard and currently used keyboard, in my case Gboard. Go into Theme and tap on Show More to see all available options. When you're done, you can pick a color. Tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to disable or enable them, and lastly click Apply. You can also download an image and do the same. Now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!